Have you ever wondered why diesel injector coating is crucial for your vehicle's performance? It's all about precision and efficiency. Diesel injector coating is responsible for ensuring the correct fuel delivery to your engine. This not only optimizes your vehicle's performance, but also plays a significant part in reducing harmful emissions. It's the fine-tuning of your diesel engine that makes all the difference. Without proper coating, your diesel engine may not perform at its peak, emphasizing the importance of this procedure. Now, imagine you're ready to code your diesel injectors. How would you go about it? Firstly, you'd need to arm yourself with a professional diagnostic tool. This isn't your run-of-the-mill scanner. It's a specialized device capable of communicating with your vehicle's engine control unit, or ECU for short. This tool is your golden ticket, your gateway into the heart of your engine's operation. Once you've got your diagnostic tool at the ready, it's time to access the ECU. This is the brain of your vehicle, the command center where all the magic happens. But don't be intimidated. Accessing the ECU is as simple as connecting your diagnostic tool to the vehicle's diagnostic port. Once connected, your tool will communicate with the ECU, allowing you to see and modify its settings. Now, you're in the driver's seat, and it's time to get down to business. Your next step is to locate the injector calibration section within the ECU settings. This is where you'll be inputting the unique calibration code for each of your new injectors. But remember, precision is key here. Each injector has its own unique code, and getting these codes right is crucial. A wrong code could mean poor performance or worse, damage to your engine. With the correct codes at hand, you'll input each one corresponding to its specific injector. This process might seem tedious, but remember, you're essentially teaching your ECU how to work with these new injectors. You're giving it the information it needs to ensure optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Once you've input all the injector codes, it's time to finalize the process. This typically involves saving the new settings and then rebooting the ECU. Think of it as a computer update, but for your car. After the reboot, your ECU will have all the information it needs to work harmoniously with your new injectors. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to diesel injector coating. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about diesel injector coating. This isn't just a technical jargon, it's a crucial process that ensures the correct amount of fuel is delivered to your engine. By doing so, it not only improves your vehicle's performance but also reduces harmful emissions, making your ride more environmentally friendly. The process involves a series of steps that are quite straightforward. First, you need to get the injector serial number, then input it into the engine control unit or ECU. The ECU then calibrates the injector to ensure optimal fuel delivery. Remember, each injector has its unique code that corresponds to its specific characteristics. It's also important to note that when replacing injectors, the new ones need to be coded to match your diesel engine. This ensures compatibility and enhances performance. Remember, accurate diesel injector coding is essential for your vehicle's performance. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into the world of diesel injector coding. Don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share this video with your fellow gearheads. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Got any questions or thoughts about diesel injector coding? Don't hesitate to leave a comment. We're here to help and learn together. Till next time, keep your engines revving and your knowledge expanding.